Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to show you how to hang curtain lights to create a stunning display for any occasion. Whether it's for a party, or just to add a magical touch to your room, curtain lights are a fantastic choice. Let's get started. Step 1. Gather your supplies. First, let's gather all the supplies you'll need: curtain lights, measuring tape, hooks or adhesive strips, extension cord. Step 2. Measure and plan your layout. Next, measure and plan your layout. Measure the area. Measure the width and height of the area where you want to hang your lights. This will help you determine the spacing for the hooks. Mark the hook placement. Use a pencil to mark where each hook or adhesive strip will go. Step 3. Attach the hooks or adhesive strips. Now, let's attach the hooks or adhesive strips. Attach the hooks. Follow the instructions for your hooks or adhesive strips. Make sure they are secure and in the correct position. Step 4. Hang the curtain lights. Time to hang the curtain lights. Unroll the lights. Carefully unroll the lights to avoid tangling. Attach the lights to the hooks. Start at the top and work your way down, attaching the lights to the hooks or adhesive strips as you go. Plug in the lights. Once all the lights are hung, plug them in to see your stunning display come to life. Step 5. Adjust and enjoy. Finally, adjust and enjoy your beautiful curtain lights. Adjust the lights. Make any necessary adjustments to ensure the lights hang evenly and look perfect. And there you have it, a stunning display of curtain lights to transform any space. We hope you found this step-by-step guide helpful. If you did, give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more home decor tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.